Hello, this is Sarthak Dheer here from Utkal University, and I'm doing my master's in counseling psychology as well as I'm an intern at Ummeed India. So, internship. It plays a very major role when it comes to enabling our skills in terms of when we talk about psychology or when we talk about counseling. Internship helps a lot in enabling our skills as well as it provides a basic knowledge of what we should have and how to imply it. And as we all are aware of the fact that in masters, internship is a main requirement that a student should have. And these times it was quite difficult because of this pandemic situation and searching for online internships, and there are many we faced many of them as they were fraudulent. But and till January month we were quite hopeless that we are unable to find an proper internship that can tailor a program according to our requirements, what we want, in which areas we want to improve, in which areas we need to work, where to in what area we are lacking, and where to improve. So many of such things were there, but at one point of time we were quite hopeless, but still some sort of hope was there. And then eventually in the month of January, in the fourth month I guess, we came to know about Ummeed. And I would say Ummeed se Ummeed mili because it's a very very good internship. Like me and my most of my friends, like all of us, are very much satisfied with this internship because it helps us to gain knowledge about so many facts like suicide, self-esteem, confidence issues, and body image, or alcoholism. It covers so many areas, and we have many free webinars. Like a resource person comes and he or she provides us with such an insightful session, be it a clinical psychologist or a special educator. They come as a resource person and they share their experience, and we get to know so many things from them. And we do many activities, those activities helps us to understand ourselves, because we all are working to become future therapists. And a therapist should know how he or she feels, how he or she thinks, and how he or she behaves. So there's a difference between, and we have got our conceptual clarity from Ummeed that there's a thin line difference between thinking, feeling, and behaving. Like, we use these terms interchangeably, but we got to know about so many things from Ummeed, and I'm fortunate to be a part of Ummeed. And there are many such things that they give homeworks, like kabhi kabhi, not always, but kabhi kabhi. And in the last month, this is my last month, and we have recently presented a seminar, a webinar basically, and as well as they asked us to do a research project. And so we generally do a research project in a group of two. So me and my friend, we did a research on marital health and quality, and many such important things. Like, one of the most important thing I would like to say is case studies. Like, because of case studies, you get to know. When we are studying about counseling, or when we are in this therapeutic area, it's not only important to know, identify the problem, but to have some knowledge, have some insight, what intervention should be applied here. And Ummeed helps us in enabling our counseling skills or our therapeutic skills. because we all know about Roger, we all know about Freud, we all know about Jung, but it's not necessary to just know about themselves, because it's quite important to how to imply them. And Ummeed teaches us how to imply them, how to provide intervention, and where to provide intervention, because that's a very important question. Where are you supposed to provide intervention? So, if you're looking for a good internship in counseling psychology, this is the right place. I would personally suggest you to go to the website, check the website, read about them, and then register yourself. Because you will be doing your internship under the guidance of Saloni Priya ma'am, who is herself a therapist past 28 years and 27 or 28 years, and she is the head and founder of Ummeed India, and many such guides who are senior counselors or in many schools, in many organizations, like Shabani ma'am, Pinky ma'am, Payal ma'am, Trina ma'am. They are senior counselors in many schools and many organizations. So this was my experience, my feedback, and honestly, I'm very much happy and satisfied with this internship, because I got the opportunity to do such an insightful research under Shabani ma'am's guidance, which was on marital health and quality. And so, as I said, it was a group research. You'll be given a partner, and you can choose your partner, and then you can proceed with your research. So research for a psychologist, it means a lot, because it helps you to know more and more about the topic, more and more about psychology. And psychology is not limited to the books or anything. It's everywhere. We can see psychology in each and every individual, in each and every human, in each and every animal. We can see psychology, and this internship is full of psychology. So thank you, Ummeed, and thank you.